Just the guys tell you how to set up the Chromecast to watch TVB now. Okay, this is the watching the TVB live now. We have the IP box, yeah. There we go. First we have to do click on this Google Cast extension, something like that, and select option, that's it. Once the option come up, you click on set up new device now. Make sure you turn on the TV and all that now in my next room now. So my new Chromecast is 5130. Click on that. And this is the cast box now. I'm not going to use the Wi-Fi instead now. I'm going to use the J45 cable, which is here. That's the instruction. I show the box now. That's the cable. That's the Wi-Fi. If we have the thing now, okay. I'm not using that now. That's the USB cable connect to the Chromecast now. I'm not going to use that. I use a J45 cable instead now. So if you don't understand, just please let me know. I'm going to set it up now. First you need to set me up, okay? Go to your Wi-Fi menu now, which is here. I think I'm done now. Click on that. It's connecting, so I click next, I think. This is the second generation now. So I'm going to want a TV next door, just U2WU. I mean W2. Just a second. So on this room, you should see a code like this now. My camera flashing now. Call U2W2. I'm not going to use the Wi-Fi, so I'm going to connect this to. This is the second generation Chromecast. This is connect to the J45 here. That's the power adapter for the Chromecast, and that's the J45 now. Connect through the power adapter behind the back now. Now what I do, I try to set this up now. So go back to the next room. So I click yes, and I'm not going to give the name now. So confirm Wi-Fi setting. Click on ASU now. Password, just 2 seconds here. Not sure what to do here next. It says go back to the Wi-Fi menu and select ASU now. This is the ASU now. I'm not too sure if this can I connect. I hate this shit now. Okay, and click next. Okay. I think it's connecting. It says connecting. And I click next. Might take 10 minutes, so I pause this now because I got limited video on this now.